Hey beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Today I'm super excited to share with you how I slicked my natural 4C hair into this clean, elegant top knot bun. And the best part is I didn't stretch my hair, I didn't blow dry it or detangle it with heat. I did everything on my natural shrinked hair and it worked beautifully. So the first thing I did was to part my hair. I took a small section right at the center of my head and I secured it with a rubber band. So I'm going to use this little section as an anchor point where I'm going to later attach the rest of the hair and then the bun. I sprayed some of the L'Oreal Paris Studio fixing spray lightly over the middle section of my hair to just fix it. The fixing spray gives my hair a nice shine, and I find out that it actually activates the gel hold. So if you're going to apply the gel, sometimes you could use it first before applying the gel on top, or you could use it after the gel. So here I only applied it on the middle part here, and then later on I applied it after the gel on the rest of my hair. It makes the sleek look last longer throughout the day. Another thing is that you also do not need any water. This is just a very much water-based gel, so I did not need to apply water first before applying the gel. Now what I did was to just smooth the rest of the hair. So I took my brush and started brushing my hair all around towards the center where the small ponytail is. Even though my hair wasn't stretched, this gentle brushing motion helps to just align the strands and reduce the appearance of shrinkage without adding any heat. Now for the main slick process, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Studio Fix Gel in Intensity 8. They also sent me the Intensity 7, but I feel like the 8 gives a much stronger hold, perfect for slick styles that you want to last all day. One thing I noticed is when I opened is how lightweight it feels. It's not sticky and heavy at all. When you apply it, it smooths into your hair super easy and doesn't leave that crunchy, stiff feeling that some gels or some waxes do. And the best part is it does not flake, like literally zero white residue even after hours. Plus, when you're ready to wash your hair, it rinses out effortlessly. So I apply the gel all over the loose hair surrounding the center section, just smoothing it from the roots towards the base of my head using my brush, and then I later on used my nail brush to just smooth everything up. Once everything was slick and smooth, I gathered all my hair together and tied it into a single ponytail with the section that I had secured earlier in the middle. Now, because my hair is still short, I couldn't braid it into a bun piece, so I used another rubber band to just secure the ends of my natural hair to keep them tight. At this point, you can already see how neat and shiny the hair looks. It's already sleek, but we're not yet done. So to create the actual top knot, I went in with the Brazilian wool. This is one of my favorite hacks for adding length and volume to a bun. I twisted the wool into a long strand and then I attached it right at the base of my bun using a rubber band. Then I wrapped it around in a spiral motion, building up the bun shape layer by layer going down. You can make it as big or as small as you like. I went for let me say a large sized bun that looks still elegant but still giving the natural look. Once I reached the end, I secured it in place with a few bobby pins to make sure everything stayed tight and neat. Now for the finishing touches, because this is where your slick style really comes to life, I took the L'Oreal Paris Studio Fix Edge Control and I gently applied it to my edges. What I love about this edge control is that it's light. It's not like the thick gels or the thick edge controls or waxy products that I sometimes use that feel too heavy or sticky on your hairline. It lays the edges nicely but still feels soft and breathable. Then after that, I sprayed a light layer of the fixing spray all over my hair to lock everything in and prevent flyaways. After applying the spray, I tied my hair down with a durag to help the style set. You can also use a satin scarf or a bonnet, but I prefer a durag because it doesn't absorb the gel and it keeps everything smooth. Then I used my blow dryer on low heat just to help the gel dry faster. Since I didn't apply any water, my hair was already semi-dry, so this process didn't take long, like 5 minutes max. The durag also helps prevent any flyaways from lifting while I'm blow drying. Once everything felt dry to touch, I gently removed the durag, and here are the results. A sleek and shiny look that didn't take me more than 15 minutes to do. So my slick top knot bun on natural shrinked type for hair, it's smooth, shiny, and held up beautifully throughout the day. What I really loved about this look is that it stayed in place for up to 8 hours. No flaking, no itching, and I didn't feel heavy or tight on my scalp. So if you've been struggling to get your 4C hair to lay flat or sleek without using any heat, I highly recommend trying out the L'Oreal Paris Studio Fix line. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this line before or if you're planning to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.